Hello there, and in this script bit I'm going to be showing you how to use properties in Roblox Studio. So first, add in a part and add in a script into the part. So you'll see down the side here, the part's got all of these properties. These properties control how the part looks. For example, if you change the transparency, then it'll become transparent. If you change the color, it will change. Properties have complete control over your part, and today I'm going to show you how to change them using scripts and how to read them. So first, use the script root keyword, and by placing a dot you can read all of the script's properties. You can read its name, you can read its parent, and you can read whether it's enabled, whether it's disabled, and a whole bunch more stuff. So we're going to use parent and we're going to read it, and which will lead us to this part. And now we can reference to the parts properties, so we can reference to all of the stuff here and we can read it or change it. So in this tutorial we're going to change the transparency, and you can set it equal to whatever you like for the script. And if you click the run button, then your part will become semi-transparent. Bye, and thanks for watching the script bit. I hope to see you in the next one.